my new channel. My name is Trisha and this channel is going to be all about hair growth. So 2023 is my year. I have so many great plans for how long I am going to grow my hair. I'm really excited. I'm hoping to get it to go down here or somewhere a little bit further down by the end of the year. My hair historically has stopped here, and I think over the years, because of how I've chemically processed it, it has not felt the love that it needs to. So this is going to be the year where I do all the things because I really, really want length. I have super curly hair, and I wanted to pop on really quickly and show you guys where I'm starting off and what the plans for this year are, because I'm going to be putting it into a protective style shortly. So, and when I say shortly, I mean like today, after this video. We had a birthday party today, and so I wore my hair out, but I know that it's not the best for me. We are in Canada, and our weather is really, really harsh. And not only is it fluctuating from the dry heat inside with the heat on, and then you go out into the crisp, cold air, it's probably not doing me any favors to keep my hair moisturized and healthy. But then you add on top of that putting a hat on and just constantly manipulating your hair. And I also used to do a lot of color. So this is the first time that I've had my hair actually this dark. Normally I have blonde running throughout, but in an effort to really gain length, I've decided to give that a pause and just work with the natural color that I have. The natural curl that I haven't been heat straightening it or flat ironing it, which is something I used to do regularly. So as you can see, I have really super curly hair. I would say it's a 3C or 3B in curl pattern, but I also have a bit of a different curl that comes through back here. As you can see, it's not actually all that curly. Can you see? So I'm working with a few different textures, but I would really, really, really like 2023 to be the year of length. So for the next full year, I won't be doing any color, any heat styling, and I'm going to be really working with the plan that I'm going to share with you now. So I'm going to be using essential oils to help me grow my length. I'm also going to be using protective styles. Normally I don't put any extensions in, but I find that I've been trying to wear wigs every now and again when I have places to go, to just be able to put my hair back and keep it completely protected, but it's not really my thing. So I'm going to give a jumbo twist style a try, which I'm going to do right after this video, and see how that works for the next week or two. And I'm also going to continue with my current sort of regimen of washing once a week, conditioning, and then deep conditioning for like 30 minutes after the wash, to really help lock in the moisture that's needed when you have curly hair. I'm also going to do the rosemary water. I'm going to be doing rice water challenges. So if you're interested in seeing my journey and where I go from, when I measured it, I have 12-inch length on the side and the back, and about 9 inches coming off the top and the front. So I would really like to see how long I can get it to grow down to like armpit length or longer, and definitely fullness. I'm looking for fullness as well. I found that I have a lot of fine curly hair, and it actually has become finer and finer. I was losing quite a bit of hair in my journey this past couple of years. Some of it's postpartum, others just like hormonal imbalances, and I'm type 1 diabetic. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff too, definitely check down below in the description section, and you can check out my other channel about type 1 diabetes. But all of that stuff messes with your hormones, and hormones are a factor in hair growth. So this has got to be the year that I'm working on a number of things to get this hair to grow. So I'm also going to be doing a silk or satin pillowcase every night and wrapping my hair whenever I'm not going somewhere. So if I'm just sitting around the house, because you just don't realize how often your hair snags on like the back of the couch, or you know, on your clothing or your necklaces or whatever you might be wearing, and it gets damaged and broken that way as well. I also bought scrunchies so I can avoid hair elastics and any sort of like clips or things that might further cause breakage. So no dyes, no heat styling. I'm going to be doing gentle detangling, and so I will show you all of those steps along my journey for the next year. I look forward to hearing from you guys as well. Tell me what you're interested in me delving into, and I'm happy to give it a try. We want to get these lengths really long. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.